If you're looking to find your API token within Monday.com and you just can't find it, then this quick tutorial is for you. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara, and I'm a Monday.com Platinum Partner. Over the last number of years, my company has helped hundreds of companies use Monday.com. We do custom implementations so that way the platform is set up exactly how you need it. If you need help with any kinds of implementation or training within Monday.com, then feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description below. I'm really looking forward to meeting you. And now let's jump into API tokens. Before I show you exactly how to access the API token, I just want to take a minute to explain why someone would need an API token. Now, in today's world, as I hope you know, you can connect a lot of different tools. So what that means is, let's say I want to use Monday.com and Gmail. I can connect them. I may need a third-party tool in the middle, such as Zapier or Make.com, to help me connect them. Now, the API token is what allows these tools to have access to each other. So if I want to connect them, I need to provide that API token. Now, let's see where you can find it. Different kinds of users can find their API token in different places. So if you're an admin of the account, the best place to get your API token is from the administration. What I do is I simply click on my avatar in the top right corner, then I click on administration. Then you can see over here, I have the option for connections. I click on connections and I have the option for personal API token. So here I have my API token and all I need to do is copy it and then I have it. If there's a problem or I feel that my token has been compromised, meaning someone's taken it for a reason that they shouldn't, then I can simply regenerate. And you can see that Monday already is trying to help you prevent this, that it's automatically grayed out. So even as I'm sharing my screen, it's not something that I added on, it's automatically grayed out within Monday. So like I said, I simply need to copy it. Now, as an admin of the account, I can also manage API tokens for other people on my team. And here you can see that I have the information about each person and I can revoke the tokens if I need. And I can also filter by token or filter by user. Even if you're not an admin on an account, you can still get an API token. I do want to point out that if you are a guest on someone's Monday.com account, then you do not have your own API token. So let's jump into the developer section now, and I'll show you where you can get your API token if you're a regular member or user within a Monday account. Back to the home screen over here, I'm going to click on my avatar in the top right corner. And here you can see that I have the options that says developers, and I'm going to click on that. This opens a new tab for me, but you can see here that I'm in the Monday Developer Center. And here I have the option to see my API token. If I click on it, it looks very similar to how it did in the admin. I have my API token. I can regenerate it, I can copy it, and I can show it. So this is just a second way that either an admin can get their API token or someone who is not an admin can get their API token. As I mentioned, being able to use your API token in today's world is critical. It allows you to connect one tool to another. It allows information to flow from different tools back and forth, or maybe just one way. It really depends on what your workflow is. If you haven't explored how to connect different tools, I definitely recommend that it's something you can look into. So that way, using tools is not an isolated event, but all your different tools work together in one place. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.